Yes, well, I wanted to give a video of how I'm going to try to fix my gas furnace. And I use natural gas. I have a carrier gas furnace, and I will also say that I am not a licensed technician or anything like that. So this is a result from doing my research online and watching other videos and going and purchasing the product that I believe I need myself. And so I will first start off and say that about a week ago the gas would not kick on. The fan would and the air conditioning would, but in my research I found that it was a problem of the Hot Surface Ignitor or furnace igniter, which when you open this door, I found it down here, and what I'll try to do is zoom in where it's located. It is right back there. And what would happen was I would turn it on and off with this switch, and it would kick back on, and you could smell gas. And then there is another sensor back here. You can see it right back there, which that triggered it to cut off for safety precautions, fortunately. So what kind of furnace igniter I needed to look at the current one, which is connected through this piece here, and on the piece itself it's got the writing on there of what it is. And so this is modeled. Went to a local wholesaler that supplies these to local businesses, heating and cooling businesses, and an important piece of this is to never touch this part right there. And that can drastically shorten the life of it, just as if you would treat a bulb, replacing a halogen bulb in a car. I've successfully removed the previous one. As you can see there, that's what I was able to tell visually, that this igniter was not going to work anymore, because you can see it cracked there. And so it had a mounting bracket here that I removed, and I've replaced it with this new one. And so here I will try to mount it back in there. So here I will mount this underneath it and screw it back on. You see that open hole in there.
Not bad. I'm proud of you.
And now we have heat. Ta-da!